happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my God!
No, you do not bite. No. No. Are you done? No. No.
Oh, thank you. Okay, wait.
So I decided to get Exodus a big treat today. See how he reacts. Do you want a bitch? Do you want a bitch? Do you want this? I don't think you can eat it. Can you eat this whole thing? Look, it's bigger than your head. Look at this. Look how big this is. All right, so your first test is to open it. You ready? Did you hear it hit the ground? All right, I finally got it. This thing's massive. All right, you gotta sit, lay down, up, speak, up. Good boy, sit. All right, stay. 3, 2, 2.5, 2 5/8. When Hannah says it.
Your fractions suck.
1. Loving relationship.
My mom is mad at me. She was filling up my kiddie pool so I could have swimmy time. I love swimmy time. She went into the house to change. I got upset because she forgot the hose and I wanted swimmy time. So I brought the hose into the house for her. It got stuck in the laundry room and the hose came to life and flew all over. Fucking scary. I ran to mom to tell her what the hose did. She saw my face and knew something was wrong. We ran into the kitchen and she saw the hose flying all over the laundry room. Mom was not scared like me and grabbed it and took it outside. My hero. I was so thankful she made it stop. The laundry room and bathroom had so much water on the floor. I was happy because now I could have swimmy time inside. I was a happy boy and ran through the water. Mom was not happy. She yelled at me and grabbed towels to get rid of my indoor swimmy pool. I was sad because I liked that swimmy pool. She made me go outside because I wouldn't stop playing in the water. I don't know why she was so mad. I would have shared my swimmy pool with her.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
If you like my puppy and you think he's really neat, you should like this video so he gets another treat. I think he's really cute and I bet that you do too if you like my puppy.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Yo, if you follow people because they're cute, cool, because I do that too. But the problem here lies in the fact that you are not following me. I'm cute as hell. What the
Day 2 with our puppy. Okay guys, so we tried to crate train Baymax last night. Whenever he would fall asleep, we would put him inside of his crate so he can get used to being in there. But he literally hates sleeping alone, so when I woke up this morning, I found him right here next to my feet. We're learning that he's super food driven, so since he's scared of his crate, we're trying to teach him to go inside and rewarding him with treats so he can associate his crate with food. This is my boyfriend's way of getting him in the crate. He seemed to be a lot more comfortable with us compared to yesterday. Him and Harry even started playing together for the first time, and I think that they're starting to form a pretty good relationship. I also noticed that whenever he sees Harry near his crate, he tends to be a lot less scared of it and he stays in there for a longer amount of time. So shout out to Harry for being a great big sister and helping out with this training.
The bird puppies are back and ready to pick their outfits to go to the adoption center. This time Pigeon's gonna go first. Nice choice. Next is Robin. Oh, good choice. Next we have Finch. Snowman. Next is Lark. Good choice. Next we have Eagle. He picked lambs. Next we have condor. Fire trucks. You look so cute. Next we have nightingale. Cute. Next is sandpiper. Cute. And last but not least, hummingbird. Nice. He's so cute. Everyone's dressed and ready for adoption day.
Oh no!
Nope. Nope. No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby. You're a baby. You're a baby.
Can I help you? What? You can't come in here. Tucker, get that. No! You need to put your paw back in. There you go. Good boy.
No. No. No.
No. Don't even think about it. I mean it, buddy. Get down. Get down. Get down. You can't give me paw to get in here. Get down. No. No, buddy.
These little babies are about to pick their very own collars. She wants to go first. All right, little one. Which one do you want? No, not me. One of these. The purple one? Okay. The black one? Okay. Oh, blue. Blue, okay. You like red? Oh, the cream one. Okay. All right, tiny friend, you're up. Black, okay. All right, your turn. Which one would you like? The blue? Orange? Okay. Gray? Okay. Before all the vets on here get mad, I can fit 3 fingers inside every single one of their collars. They are breakaway collars specifically designed for puppies. What? Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Toks, you're just swimming.
Does anybody else have a husky that prefers to sunbathe, even though he knows he has an air-conditioned doghouse and he knows I get mad at him? Come on, go, go, right in, get over.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
How is this real? Take yourself on.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
have a little pity? Is he very, very pretty? Does he bark at all the noise? Does he chew up all his toys? Does he get real annoyed when you play with all his smoosh? Do you have a little pity?
Dykeman, wake up. Dykeman, wake up. This nigga only smoked one blunt. Dykeman, wake up, bro. We fucking Walmart, this nigga still knocked out, son.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't be.
I was busy thinking about
food, sleep, Chipotle. Oh,
This is Grant, and today he's going to teach you how to lay down. Just take your treat and slowly push it towards the dog's nose until he lays down. After you've practiced this, just try pointing. Then try pointing and saying down, then rewarding him after.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
these 10 babies are about to pick their very own colors. Hummingbird's gonna go first. Blue. Next is lark. Red. Next is robin. Purple. Now finch. Blue. Now we have nightingale. Green. Next we have starling. Brown. Now we have eagle. Green. Next we have condor. Pink. Next is sandpiper. Orange. Last but not least, pigeon. You only got one option, buddy.